Today is Monday, April 24th. About 3 o'clock. 2:59, basically 3 o'clock. Eating hot dog. What's new? I had a muffin. And yeah, I haven't vlogged today. Obviously, but I have a flat tire, so I'm gonna go try to fix it. I bought myself Be a Big Girl. And yeah. I talked to my dad, but I didn't tell him I got the flat tire because then he's just gonna call the AAA people or whatever to come do it. I don't want them to. I want to like use that for if something for real happens, you know. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I guess you guys can. Well, I'll try to talk to you guys throughout, see how I do. I'll have to watch. I watched a couple YouTube videos. I think I can do it. I'm pretty smart, and I'm a super intelligent person. And I'm cute. I'm sure I'll figure it out. Just kidding. The cute has nothing to do with it. For anyone, go feminists going to get my DM in my comments. Yeah, so I'm gonna head down there. I guess saying I want another hot dog, but I'll just wait and eat it when I get back. Everyone's of course getting their lovely tan on at the pool. Like the minute some sun comes out. Look at it, you guys. My dad's gonna be so mad that I'm not calling him. But the minute some sun goes out, these girls are out there tanning. Luckily, you know, I'm naturally tan, you know, hashtag melanin poppin', you know, so I don't have to worry about that. But like, these girls stay like getting tanned the minute some sun comes out up in here. Like, perks of being chocolate, you know what I'm saying? Year-round chocolate, honey. I mean, year-round tan.
1 hour later.
So right now I'm in the lovely Walmart getting my tire fixed, hopefully fixed, and I don't have to pay for a new one, but who knows. So yeah, now I'm just looking around. I'm gonna head to the pet section, and yeah. Okay, so I'm at the mall right now picking up my flip-flops, hair in my mouth, and I'm gonna get another air freshener for my room because it's gone and I don't want Simba to make my room stink. So y'all, look at Pip. She already knows. Look, she knows what's up. I come out of my room and she's ready. She heard he's back. She knows what's up. Look at her. Hey, the clip deleted. She ran over here for this food. Yes, I'll make sure to have clean hands when I prepare them for their food because yeah, they're animals, but they're basically human and they deserve the same rights as us, so they need clean hands. But oh, I hate the clip deleted, but I recorded it when she ran over to her plate. Like, Pip knows, like, that plate, she runs, or her little ears be flopping. So yeah, let me do Simba's, and then I need to actually wash his bowl out, and then I need to make my grocery list, and then I need to go to the store. Okay, so Simba's lettuce is it's really bad. So when I go to the store, I'm just gonna feed him when I get back. And yeah, he likes 50-50 lettuce, and so yeah, I write his name on it because it makes me happy. Yeah, I think it's like that because like I accidentally left it out overnight twice now. Like when I first went back home, I left it in my car. I went home this weekend, by the way. My dad got ordained, anyways, and I left it in the car in the garage Friday night, and then I left it out last night, or it wasn't last night. I left it out all day yesterday, basically. And yeah, so when I go to the store, I'll buy him some and I'll feed him tonight. People having like parties. The life of living in a college apartment. I like that Kodak song. Hold on. Alright, so I'm back from the store. I had to go to 2 stores actually. I went to Walmart and then I went to this one grocery store because they didn't have a couple of things at Walmart. Like, the people cleaned them out. So I'll just do a quick grocery haul for you guys. The grocery store that I go to, it's a local grocery store, so I won't tell you, but it's crazy expensive. Never going there again. Like, I've shopped there so many times, and now I just actually saw a huge difference between how much cheaper Walmart is. So yeah. Alright, so I got Pip some more kale. So she has like enough for tomorrow and then some more. This is Simba's spring mix lettuce, and then me and the bunnies both eat banana. They get a slice in the morning and then I just like eat the rest. I went ahead and got myself some sweet kale salad mix because I just really wanted to try this. And then I got a pepper for what I'm cooking tonight. I'll explain that. Some sweet chili sauce for my dinner that I'm making. Some ground curry and ginger for dinner. Some eggs. I like these bars in between classes and in the morning. I got some tortilla chips to go with some salsa, and then also like rotel and everything else. I got sugar, and I was supposed to get flour. I got some green onions for like salads, not salads, for eggs in the morning, and also goes with, I'm cooking fried rice and sweet fire chicken breast for dinner, so that's that. This is milk, obviously milk, and I really like this strawberry lemonade. It's really good. The bunnies drink purified drinking water, so I just got them a whole bottle of that. And then I got some vegetable oil and for dinner, to go with my dinner, and then rice. So yeah, if I want to make my dinner, I'll show you guys that too. And so I thought I'd update you. It's now 11 o'clock at night. Wow, welcome to Kennedy's kitchen. Wow. So this, cut up the red peppers, is gonna go, half is gonna go into my fried rice. Rice is done, and the other half is gonna go into our Pan Express sweet fried chicken breast. Same with this, half and half. Doing the chicken for my rice right now. Season, I already did that rice. That's gonna be for like if I want to put some sweet fire on top. And then this is a chicken for my sweet fire chicken breast. Yes, I know I definitely need more chicken. I only have like 2 like breasts left. I was like, oh, it's enough. It's not. And I'm watching Stepsisters right now. Really good movie. Highly recommend. Love it. Can relate. Think it's the best thing ever. Really good show. So yeah, and I think I seasoned it a little too much, you know, but it's good. It's good. It's good. You know, we're good. We're good. So yeah, and then like I'm gonna bread the chicken for my sweet fire. So yeah, update. So my fried rice is done. It's just sitting here, and now I added my egg and ground ginger and ground curry, and I just went ahead and just added all the peppers and onions since I didn't have as much chicken. I did 5 eggs. So I'm gonna check on Simba. I have not been in my room in hours. His Pip's just been working. Hey boy, you doing good? All right, nice talking. What on me? So now let's finish the rest of the. Yep, so my sweet fire is done. Yeah, and this is the sauce that I used, guys. Which is the same sauce I use at Pan Express. I got my side of rice. And this is the rice. Yeah, and then look, I just did it like that. So yeah, it's 1:14 in the morning. Swag. About to finish watching Stepsisters. And then I'm just gonna clean up the kitchen and then like wash dishes in the morning, but just like put everything away and like clean up like the countertop and just all that good stuff. So yeah. And Simba is being bad and getting on my nerves, and he will not. Under the couch. Yep, he under the couch. He's trying to mark his territory. He needs to. I would say I like high school's elevators. Looks pretty dope. But yeah, so basically right now I'm meeting with my married people. Alright, so it's later. It's 2:23, so I'm just warming up some food, some sweet fried chicken breast and some fried rice, and then some white rice underneath it. And I just cleaned Simba's cage, put a new blanket down and everything so that the blanket looks kind of like a carpet. But yeah, so I just cleaned his cage and everything. I'll give you a close-up, and that's a new blanket I put down. It's the blanket that he actually came with, his stuff. And then, yeah, it's his little cage. I see he's used it already right there. But that's good. He's been doing good. It's his hay, his water pellets, and then his dinner bowl over there. I just leave it out so that way he has more room to lay up there if he wants to. And then that's what goes over his cage at night when it's nighttime, so he can sleep. And he's probably in there hiding. Yep, he is. You can't see him. But yeah, I just cleaned my room and everything. And I cleaned my room yesterday, and I cleaned the piss up today. And my food is ready, and I'm so hungry.